How to send large videos on WhatsApp. First, open the Drive app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom above the Files icon. Click on the Update button in the pop-up. Now, select the Videos tab as shown. After selecting, choose the large video to upload to your drive. Hit the Upload button at the top right corner of the screen. After the video is uploaded, press the three-dotted icon beside it. Here, tap on the Manage Access option. In the General Access section, click on the Restricted option. Hit Restricted again, then select the Anyone with the Link option. Next, hit back and once more click on the three-dotted icon next to the video. Tap on the Copy link in the menu. Now, launch the WhatsApp application. Open the chat where you want to send the large video. Paste the link in the text box at the bottom. Finally, hit the Send button. This is how you can send large videos on WhatsApp.